VedV Publication Education for Excellence.
Chapter 6 HTML Basics. You will learn in this chapter about HTML features, HTML requirements, structure of an HTML document, HTML tags, creating and saving HTML documents, viewing an HTML document, some other HTML tags. When you use the internet, you see different types of websites. Each website is a collection of different web pages and connected together. Web page contain information in the form of text, graphics and animation arranged in attractive manner. This web page are written in a special language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, commonly abbreviated as HTML. Hypertext is a text used to link various web pages. It is the text on the web page, clicking on which opens a new web page. Markup means highlighting the text either by font or color. Language refers to the mode of communication between the web page with its syntax and rules. HTML was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. In order to write program using HTML, you need to use markup code. Markup code are also known as HTML tags. They save HTML commands with an extension of .html or .html. HTML features. HTML documents are simpler text files. No compilers are required in HTML. HTML is not case sensitive. HTML tags support text, image, audio and video files. HTML tags are supported by all the browsers. Every tag is enclosed in a set of angular brackets. HTML is platform independent language. HTML required tools to create and view HTML documents. Tools required to create and view HTML documents are HTML editor. To create an HTML document, the most common text editor is Notepad. It is considered to be the best editor of HTML, as HTML documents need only unformatted text. To open Notepad, click Start button, Window Accessory, and then click on Notepad. A web browser. A web browser is used to view and display the HTML document. Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and Google Chrome are a few examples of web browser. An optional web server. A web server is a high configuration computer where the web content is stored. Basically, web server is used to host the website. Structure of an HTML document. The basic structure of an HTML document consisting of head and a body as shown in the following figure. HTML tags. HTML tags are used to tell the web browser how and where a particular text is to be displayed on the web page. Every HTML tag has an attribute or important properties. HTML tags are used to mark up elements. HTML tags are special keywords that are used to label each element. HTML tags are surrounded by two characters greater than and less than. HTML tags normally comes in a pair like the first tag in the pair is the start tag and the last is the end tag. HTML tag is not a case sensitive, means the same as HTML tags. HTML tag is a primary tag used to define HTML document. Syntax, statement, header tag. Header tag is used to contain entire head elements in an HTML file. It contains the title, style, meta, and etc. Syntax, statement, title tag. It is used to define the title of an HTML document. This is label. This tab is optional. Syntax. Body tag. It is used to define the body of an HTML document. It contains image, table, list, etc. Syntax, statement, HTML web content. HTML web page content. Creating and saving an HTML document. To create a web page using HTML tags, follow these steps. Number 1. Open Notepad and write an HTML code. Number 2. Click on File menu. Number 3. Click on Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Number 4. find the path where the file has to be saved. Number 5, in the name box type the name of the file bracket first.html. Number 6, click on save button to save the file. View an HTML document. To view the save HTML document, follow these steps. Number 1, find the file using Window Explorer. Number 2, select the file and press right click. A pop-up menu is displayed. Select Open with command to select from installed web page in the system. Number 3, you will see the document in the web browser as a web page. Some other HTML tags. Heading tags. Any document starts with a heading. You can use different sizes of heading. HTML also has 6 levels of heading which use elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. While displaying any heading, browser adds one line before another line after a heading. This will produce following output. Paragraph tag. The paragraph tag P tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Each paragraph of text should go in different between P and ending with #P tag as shown in the following example. This will produce following output. Line break. Whenever you use DR elements, anything follows it starts with the next line. This tag is an example of empty elements where you do not need starting and ending text as there is nothing to go in between them. This will produce following output. Horizontal rules. Horizontal lines are used to visually break up sections of a document. The HR tag creating a line forms the current position in the document to the right margin and the break in the line accordingly. For example, you may want to give a line between two paragraphs as in the given example below. This will produce the following output. Centering content. You can center the tag output content in the center of the page or a table cell. This will produce following output.
VedV Publication, Education for Excellence.